another Cars and Roads video. Today it's gonna be a quick one. We will talk about how to be a better and safer driver. So we have a nice road here, we have a bit of tunnels. So when you have this, when you have short tunnels, it's not a big deal, but we will go to longer tunnels sooner. So we have some nice views. In our videos you will see a lot of nice views. We will try to film when the scenery is nice. So when you have a tunnel like this, you need to slow down and high beams on. And now you shouldn't rush into the tunnel. So, and the tunnel, if the light is bright when you get out of the tunnel, you can be blinded in an instant. So you need to be careful about that. So now we have a bit of blind spot. Now another tunnel, and when you have a corner like this, if the two lines go together, the corner will go narrow. Or if the lines are separated like this, we can see these lines go apart, you can step on the throttle. So now step on the throttle, into fifth. Oh, the weather is pretty nice today. Now we have one tunnel. This is a very nice stretch of road. One tunnel. So we have a trucks. We are over the trucks. Another tunnel. When you have a road that is busy like this, when you have a trucks or other cars, you need to be aware of small stones that are coming from the trucks, so they can crack your windshield or damage your car, so be careful about that. Now we have one tunnel, another tunnel. We can accelerate. So if you're a newer driver, do not mix your inputs. You should only accelerate or only brake on the straight and corner when your gas pedal is even. If you are a bit advanced driver, a bit more experienced, you can trail brake or even rev match. Do not rev match if you don't know how to properly do that, because it will make more damage than you. So when you step on the brake, and if I rev match like this, the car will go smooth. If I rev match it, under rev match it, the car will be unsettled. Or if I over rev match it, the needle will fall immediately, also unsettling the car. So I am looking at two lines. If they are coming closer, when they come apart, I can step on it. Now, two lines. When they are coming like this towards you, you need to back down a bit, because the corner is getting tighter. The radius of the corner is getting tighter. So like this, we will look at where the apex is. When you go over the apex, the road will open again. So apex is the spot on the corner when you can accelerate. When you go past the apex, you can gradually accelerate the car. We found another nice stretch of twisty road. Always right hand on 3 o'clock and left hand on 9 o'clock if you're driving a bit faster. That is essential racing position for the hands when you're driving, and both hands on the steering wheel. And don't go one hand over the other. Just never lose the grip with the steering wheel, so you can feel what's going underneath you. And always look on the furthest point in the road. So that's the end of our drive. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.